Hello everyone, welcome back to Stove Tuesday. It's that day of the week again when we talk about stoves. This is the Kelly Kettle Hobo Stove. I don't actually own the small Kelly Kettle. So you're thinking, okay, why has the nutter gone out and bought one of these stove tops when he doesn't even own the Kelly Kettle? I was trying to think of this from a different angle. This is a robust Potstand and windshield. Doesn't weigh a whole lot. Built like a tank for what it is. It's got a nice wide surface and a good footprint. So it will stay level and support your pots. You're thinking, okay then, where's he going with this? Well, if you own something like a Titan kettle, you will find that it fits in there perfectly. The lid will go on the top, it doesn't click in. However, if that's in a bag, that'd be no issue at all. Then you're good to go. You can then put him on top and you've got a very secure base on pretty much any type of surface. So you're thinking to yourself, okay, so if it fits inside that, what else does it fit in? Hopefully I've got your interest now. Avenue titanium pot, 600mm. Here we go, will he fit, will he fit, will he fit? Fits perfectly. Little go on there. You've got yourself a nice solid pot stand. Okay, to be fair, if you're taking the Avenue titanium out or any small titanium pot, you want to save weight, this may not be the option for you. But in general terms, you've got a robust pot stand and that's not going to fall off or go anywhere. So you're kind of getting the idea of where I'm going with this. Next I've got billy pot. This is the smallest one they do, the zebra billy cans. Fits in there perfectly. As a combination, these go hand in hand together absolutely beautifully. By the way, if you're wondering if it fits into the BCB cup, the answer is no, unfortunately. However, it would be possible to trim the sides off a bit, so you would then be able to get him in and he would fit. So that's something to think about. If you was wondering about frying pans, if you've got a small frying pan, yeah, it'll work, no problem at all. And you'll also sit inside. All in all, it's a great bomb-proof pot stand and windshield. If it does get a bit windy, you can always put your own windshield around the outside or cover that in a bit of foil. Anything really, it's up to your imagination. So, can you get a transier underneath? You can, but it won't work. It'll snuff the flame out. There's just not enough height. So, transiers are out, I'm afraid. So what can you use? If you've got any of the lower style alcohol stoves, they'll fit in there perfectly. This one's the Van Gogh converter stove. It's like the Triad but without the legs. It's also something like this, a speedster stove. I like these. That'll fit in there beautifully. And if you just want to burn gel, this is the transier. gel burner. It'll also fit under there beautifully as well. You don't really need this, you can use anything. Polished tin, anything you like. Hopefully that's given you a good idea of how to use one of these if you've got a mind to, and hopefully it's given you a slightly different take. I'm looking forward to going out and trying these bad boys out in this new configuration. That's all I got for you today. So if you're after a cheap, robust windshield and pot stand for smaller type pots, you really can't go wrong with that. If you like this video and you think I'm worth one of these, you know what to do. Feel free to subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching. See you next Tuesday.